do you need a selfie stick? Oh, I just got this one. It's pretty cool. Let's unbox it and see what it is. It's 62 inches phone, tripod, and selfie stick. Look, pretty cool, isn't it? You just have to open it. There. And by the way, the remote is here, so you can just remove it if you want to, or put it back. And it's easy to pair to your Bluetooth using your phone, which is I'm using right now. It has a very sturdy feet, and you can put it up as long as you want or as short as you want. And you can use it vertical or horizontal, and put your phone in there. And when you're not using it, put it back. There you go. So guys, you can buy it from Amazon right now. It says 62 inches phone, tripod, and selfie stick. And for only $16.99. It's 29% off. There you go. Let's see what the other pictures are here. There. And also the manual will say it all, so you guys can check it out. That's all for now. Check out my link below to check it out or buy. Thank you. Bye.